Hello everyone. My name is Lily, and today I'm going to show you what to do if your mic is not working on your Android device. So let's get started right away. Well, if the microphone on your Android device isn't working, it'll either be a software or hardware issue. I'll walk you through the fixes for your microphone if it's only a software issue. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is hold down the power button and then press the restart button to restart your phone. This will be our first method, and it may or may not fix your issue. If that doesn't work, we can try the next option, which is to go into Settings and then scroll down to Apps. And now we're going to find the app where our microphone isn't working. Well, I'm going to search for it on the search bar and then tap on it. After that, we want to hit Force Stop in the top right. Again, select Force Stop. And then we're going to select Storage, and then we're going to tap both Clear Cache and Clear Data. Another thing is that you can follow the same steps with any kind of app if you are facing this issue. For example, if it was something like WhatsApp or Zoom or something like that, you could force stop it and then clear the cache to see if it solved the issue. Now, you can test it again to see whether your microphone is working. If that doesn't work, go back into the apps, and then select the Permission Manager. Now that you're in Permission Manager, click on the microphone. What this is going to tell you is just a list of apps that have access to your microphone, and clearly, if the app you're trying to use with your microphone doesn't have permission here, you'll have to enable it. For example, if I needed to enable it on my Snapchat, I would click on Snapchat and then simply click Allow, then return to Snapchat and try it again. If none of those worked, it's likely that your phone is attempting to access a microphone other than the one built into the phone. So if that is the case, what you want to do is disconnect all Bluetooth devices that are connected to your phone, since it's possible your phone is trying to use the Bluetooth device's microphone. In addition, if your smartphone has a headphone jack or you usually use earbuds, I recommend taking them out and putting them back in. This is because your phone might also be trying to use the microphones on the earbuds even though they aren't connected, but your phone thinks they are, even though they aren't. Therefore, if you could plug it in and out a few times, you might be able to solve your issue. Now, if you tried all of these methods and none of them worked, it's probably that your microphone issues are not all software related, but rather hardware related. If it is a hardware related issue, you absolutely need to take it to a shop for repairs, so that a professional could examine it more and completely fix your problem. I hope at least one of those methods was of help to you. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.